next to your fire.
Hey Grade 8 drummers, how are we doing? Today I've got a great treat in store for you. We are looking at Fire by who else? Jimi Hendrix, drummed of course by Mitch Mitchell, an incredible British drummer, sadly no longer with us. Guys, if ever there was a drummer, I would recommend you go and check out it's Mitch Mitchell. In an era where we had the thunderous John Bonham and other incredible drummers, along came Mitch Mitchell, who just had such a unique approach to playing drums, grooves, fills, almost like a jazzy sort of influence. So if you guys want a bit of inspiration, go and check out Mitch Mitchell and mainly his work with the Jimi Hendrix Experience. Anyway, let's get cracking right at the beginning. We have 2 slow clicks followed by 3 fast clicks. And then, as you can see written, we have 2 rests. Now those 2 rests are going to correspond with 2 strums of the guitar. Jimi Hendrix plays 2 strums, da-da, and they are going to be your 2 crotchet quarter note rests you see written. That's just a little tip I've got for you guys to help find out when you start, basically. So when you hear those 2 strums, da da, blah da, blah da, blah, you're in.